think I'm the only lawyer in history to ever shock themselves in front of a jury deliberately or accidentally with a cattle prod. So I was only a couple of years or 3 years out of the frat house at the University of Texas, and cattle prods in those days were SOP at frat houses. I mean, you couldn't have a hell week without having a cattle prod. And there was a guy named Dick Stoneburner. Hey, Dick. And Dick was a big badass at UT and a few years ahead of me. And Dick had a cattle prod. He called it Aunt B. Dick's cattle prod was powered by a Sears Die-Hard battery, and you could light a cigar off the arc of Stoneburner's cattle prod. So that little thing was nothing compared to Aunt B. And I had been shocked several times by Aunt B during our hell week. So state's theory was that our client had caused the death of a particular fellow by our client and others shocking this particular fellow with a cattle prod, and the medical examiner looked at a piece of charred human bone and said that fellow's death was as a result of being electrocution by a cattle prod. So it fell on me to prove to the jury that being shocked with a cattle prod would not cause death. So I did, in fact, get the same brand, same model of a cattle prod that was ostensibly used, and I shocked myself repeatedly in front of the jury. So it was probably an event that never happened before and will never happen again.